High winds blew into the area for the second consecutive week yesterday, bringing down trees and causing power outages throughout the region. And at the Joyland Theatre in Strathmore, the winds nearly brought the house down.
So anyway, about 2 o'clock I went up to start the show, and I didn't realize what was going on because we had the trailer of transformers was on. So anyway, it was boom boom in there, and all of a sudden the wind came up, and we had a catastrophe happen here. I looked out the projection room window, and the wall wasn't there. So anyway, I hustled my ass downstairs, and this is what I found when I came out the door. The fire department showed up right away, and we got the place evacuated, and nobody was hurt.
Outside of the building?
Everything fell to the east.
Okay.
Fell out of the building. Nobody was hurt.
How many people were in the building?
Oh, we had around 75 to 80, somewhere in there.
Okay, so how much brick came down? What is that, about 20 feet tall, I guess, of brick?
20 to 30, say.
Uh-huh. So what are you going to do with the bricks?
My understanding is the town is coming tomorrow to clean it up.
Oh yeah.